One of the strongest materials in the natural world is made by spiders. Spider silk web is made out of protein molecules bound together with such strength they can outperform bulletproof kevlar in toughness. Unfortunately, we can't harvest spider silk from spiders because creating a spider farm would be astronomically expensive. Spiders are infamously aggressive. Putting them together creates an inevitable battle royale, and housing them separately would require millions of cages. But synthetic biologists have figured out another way to produce this fantastic material. By transferring the gene that produces the silk protein into bacteria or fungi enables the production of this material in large volumes without a spider farm. In Finland, scientists at Aalto University and the VTT Research Center have engineered production methods with different organisms, in addition to developing a range of applications, such as super strong yarn, elastic films, remarkable composite materials, and textiles. In the foreseeable future, scientific development will bring this super material into our everyday use.